Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's quick video, we are going to enable the game mode on our Windows to make sure our PC gives us the best performance while gaming. So let's just jump straight into it. You can access the settings for that. And once you access the device's settings, what you may do is basically on your settings window, look out for gaming on your left hand side bar. So find gaming and click on it. And once you go over here, you can look out for the option for game mode, this one right here, and select it. If you find this option right here, you should be finding a toggle option that says game mode, and you need to turn this option on. So you can just go over and simply turn this option on right here if it is turned on. That will help the Windows optimize system resources, reduce the background processes, and improve the performance during the gaming. And in the same gaming menu, you can look out for the graphics as well. So select the option of graphics. And within graphics, you may just go over and choose your game. So you can select this option for optimization if you would like to use the advanced features and compatible games by using flip presentation mode or reduce the latency. You can just go over and do so. Or you can simply custom setting for appliances. You can select one of the applications, and once you do so, you can turn this option on for your particular game and set it up. And also make sure this one is high performance to give your game the game mode for more stable gameplay. And that's it. This is one of the easiest methods you can follow up to enable that. If this video was helpful, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.